Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi! Make sure you're looking at the road too. Happy Super Bowl Sunday, you guys. We're headed to get the kids, and then we're going
to a Super Bowl party.
Yeah, to a Super Bowl party. My wife's sister is throwing a Super Bowl party. So that's what we're about to do. So we have 2 stops before we head that way. We just wanted to come on here and say hey, and it's Sunday, you know?
Who y'all gonna go for? Let's see, we got the North Carolinas, and we got the Denver Broncos.
Y'all drop that in the comments below. I'm gonna try to upload this video by tomorrow, but the party would have already been started.
I know.
And the Super Bowl will be over, but it's still fun to do. And we'll just leave it at that. But we'll come back a little later at the party and maybe give you guys a little footage of that. And we may come back with it when the children get in the car too. So until then,
peace.